You want to be strong. You also want peace inside. But the world calls your strength toxic. You feel judged. You feel lost. You try to be calm, but you don't want to lose your edge. You're not broken. You're not alone. Your guide walked this road, 14 years as a monk, a fighter, a leader. He gets it. The Alpha Omega male is your map. It blends strength with wisdom. It gives you steps you can use today. First, reclaim who you are. Second, build balanced strength, body, mind, and spirit. Third, lead with purpose. At home, at work, in your world. As you apply the steps, you stop leading with ego. You act with character. Your courage is steady. You show respect. People feel safe around you. You gain deep, quiet confidence. You become the respected servant leader, protector, and role model your community needs. Do nothing and the drift grows. More doubt, more numb days, less respect. Choose the path that builds you. Start now. Become the Alpha Omega male. Get the book today.